Hello children, how are you all? Fine, good. So, in chapter number 2 that we have studied in our last session, that how the digestion process will take place in our body and why it is necessary. I hope all of you studied that properly, right? Now, here some healthy habits has been given which we need to follow every day. Yes, in our day to day life, not as per the exam point of view, but we have to implement this good habits in our daily life. So, let's have a look. So, first thing is that always wash your hands before and after eating. You can see this, my hand? Okay, you can see any dust particle and germs out of that? No. Why? Because that kind of a small bacteria and viruses are they still there on my hand, but we cannot see directly with our eyes. For that a special instrument is needed. Yes, it's called microscope. But the still things are there on my hand, even on your hands are also there. So for that, whatever the germs are present here, that should be go out of our hand. So for that, we need to wash our hands very properly. Even after having your meal also, washing hands is compulsory. Why? Because whatever the food items are there, that is stuck with your hands. So that should be removed. So that's why before and after eating, you should wash your hands very nicely. The next thing is that eat a balanced meal. In our first lesson in food and nutrition, we have studied regarding the balanced meal. Balanced meal means what? All fine nutrients are there, that there are fats, carbohydrates, protein, vitamins and minerals. That should we have to eat in a right amount. Yes. So that makes our balanced meal, balanced diet. And that we should have every day. Yes. It's not like that, like you like potatoes. So every day you keep on eating potatoes. Mama, I don't want to eat any other things. No, don't do that, children. All kind of vegetables, fruits and everything, all nutrients we should get in a right amount. So the next healthy habit is that chew your food properly before swallowing. If we are not chewing that food properly, it cannot be digested properly, right? And after that you are having problem in your stomach, it starts paining. So here it is important to chew that food very nicely. The next thing is do not talk while eating. See, most of us are having this habit. We are keep on talking while we are eating. Even during the time of recess also, we are talking so much. Whatever the talk is left, that we are doing in the time of recess. But actually we should not. You know why? Because suppose it will lead us to choking. Why? In place of food pipe, the food will goes to the windpipe and it will leads you to choking. So while you are eating, do not talk. Next healthy habit is do not eat too much in between meals. Yes, first you have the breakfast, after that directly go for lunch and after that go for dinner, like that. Don't eat in between. Some children are having a habit of eating in between, keep on eating different kind of like biscuits and wafers and different kind of fruits, this and that. But we have to be careful because only in stomach food stays for 2 to 3 hours. So it will leads you to indigestion. So there should be gap between 2 meals. Then next is sit and eat properly. Do not get down food in a hurry. See, can you see this girl? Yes. How she is eating? This is the proper way to eat? Not at all. How to eat? Some of you are also doing this during the time of recess. What you are doing? You are running, you are catching each other and eating something. So that also will leads you to indigestion because chewing will not happen properly and then it will leads you to indigestion. So that's why sit at one place and have your meal, have your food properly. The next thing is that always rinse your mouth after eating, like this. You know why? Because whatever the food items we have eaten, out of that some of the things are there like food particles are stuck up with your gums or either the teeth. Then after that bacteria will attack on that and that will leads you plaque and plaque will leads to cavity. If cavity will generate in your teeth, then your teeth will be weakened and finally it will be fallen. So that's why rinsing mouth is very much important. So here children, we have studied here some healthy habits which we need to follow in our regular daily life. Yes, I hope all of you must follow all these things, healthy habits in your daily life, and we will meet in the next session of science. Till then, see you.